Want a picture? Yeah, there you have it, that's it. Now you are hiding. You're not afraid. This mechanic, yes? Looking for a vertical sewing machine, one hand you can sew flat. It's portable. You cannot see here.
What kind of sewing machine, sir?
You tell them, Harry.
Portable lang sa tayo ng shampoo.
But closer. Not closer. Not closer, yeah.
So what is your name?
My name? Jovi.
Jovine.
Yeah.
And your name? Come on, you're not shy. Come on. What is her name? I already get your picture. It's too late. And your name?
June.
June. Okay. You need a sewing machine? You get one here. What is the sewing machine? Tsunami. Yes.
Ang sewing machine, sir?
No, it's industrial. We look for industrial. No? No?